Welcome to Market Chameleon. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial about bullish opportunities and bearish opportunities, how to find them in Market Chameleon. Let's get to it, and before we start, a quick disclaimer right here. Feel free to read it and know that this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. That being said, let's get to it. So once you log into Market Chameleon, 7 days free trial in the description below if you haven't signed up already. When you go to the home page, the alerts tab is something to pay attention. You got some Tesla stuff, you got SPY, you got Walmart, Nike. I actually did a Nike trade, earning trade a few days ago. This is something to keep in mind. Once they drop 20%, the following day I got an alert from Market Chameleon. There was a potential trade, but that's not what I'm talking about today. There's so many options. Let's focus on showing you bullish and bearish and how it works. So click on trade ideas right here, okay? And in here, in trade ideas, we got the active options, everything that's going on right here. You see, this was the trade from a few days ago. Nike, just FYI, 75.33. It was the sell the call 75 and buy the call 77. It was a sell call spread for about $70 profit, okay? $70 profit, and you risk 130, which is pretty awesome risk to reward. And as long as this goes below 75.70, it was already expired, not expired, but the trade itself was supposed to close yesterday. Again, none of that matter. Let's focus on what we got now. Bullish opportunities, bearish opportunities. This is what we're doing today. So just so you know, if you go to the tab, the bullish opportunities, it will show you something that is technical, some technical thing that happened. I'm going to show you in a trade report in more details that all those stocks right here, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Google, Meta, all the ones that we know and love, are going higher and higher during this time frame based on technical analysis. And same for bearish right here. You got Johnson Johnson, Mark, UPS, talked about it yesterday, Nike, etc., etc. So we see pharmaceutical, Abbott, Mark, Johnson, as I said, lows. So we got a BMY, I think this is Bristol Myers. Yeah, so pharmaceutical going down this area based on technicality. So let's do two trades, for example, to understand what I'm showing you. Not trades, like trade ideas and how to trade. Okay, so we got Microsoft. I don't like to do the long calls. Let's see the price, 460, almost 461. This is not in the money. I like to be already deep in the money. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for spreads or condors that are already deep in the money. So if it's 460, I'm looking for like sell 450, something like that. So this is 462, this is 462. That would be a no trade for me. It could be a yes trade for you, but this is no trade for me. Let's go on to Apple, 221. This is a long call. I'm not doing this. This is a spread 225, spread 220. It's too close, and it's a month from now. No, let's move on. We got ourselves Nvidia, 128. We did the amazing iron condor. Collected like $400 up front, risking only 1,000. Okay, but this was like 2 weeks ago, and assume the price of Nvidia will be by, I think, July 5th, which is a few days from now, anywhere between 117 and 140, 141 if I remember correctly, and the price is 128. Haven't really moved in the last week or so, so the premium just obliterated. We collected up front once Nvidia went up 7% or down 7% the following one day after another. That's when I took the iron condor, and the stock haven't moved so much. So this was a great trade. Feel free to log into Market Chameleon every single day and look for opportunities. Let's see what we got. 123, 123. Okay, let's move on. Google 187. I want to find something that's like deep in the money. Meta, Facebook 510. Okay, Tesla or SPY. We're gonna check that. Tesla or SPY, and then Walmart SPY we got yesterday. Remember the trade from yesterday? If you haven't, go watch my video. 99% win rate was absolutely insane. It was like the sell the 530 spread, something like that, put spread. So yeah, that was a good one. Double call spread 558. Okay, interesting. So this is also interesting. This is a big spread. Walmart, I'm trying to find something that is super deep in the money, and if I can't, that's fine. I move on to the next day. It's all good. So we got ourselves 68, we got 66, 69. That's my strategy. 60, 77, there isn't, but let's say for the example, and we're gonna check bearish opportunities, but for the example I want to show you why it's bullish opportunities based on technical. So let's say we have Walmart now, it's 68.24. You sell for next month for August, you sell the 66 and you sell the 69 put, you buy the 66, and you assume that Walmart in a month will go above 69. And the beauty of Market Chameleon is that you collect $100, $102 compares to 82. That's the edge. It doesn't mean that it will go above 69, but it just tells you that you are collecting more income. 68% historical win rate. This is your edge. And if you click here, that's what I want to show you before we go to the bearish opportunities. Walmart potential yield 51%. That's absolutely crazy for them to just go up to over 69. You click here, and this is what I want to show you. Technical uptrend. This stock price moving average are all crossing each other in a positive trend, and it shows you that between July 3rd to August 2nd, averaging a return of plus 3%, okay, based on the last 12 years. So in the last 12 years on history, in this time frame, it's Walmart should go up 3%, and basically it's all technical uptrend, bullish seasonality, everything is green. Payout diagram, we are here, and your max profit is over 69. You make $100, and if it doesn't go away, if it goes below 66, you lose 200. So you're risking 200 to make 100 in about a month. Okay, so that's the bullish. Okay, I haven't found this. You could do this trade. This is all trade ideas. Market Chameleon gives you tons of trade ideas every single day. Let's go over to the bearish opportunities to do the same, just on the upside. And in here you see all the technical that is red, all the technical stocks that are in the red. I touched about UPS. There was a trade like 2 weeks ago, sell the 145 and buy the 150 call, something like that, and it's gonna expire worthless most likely. But let's see what we got. We got Johnson Johnson, price 145.69. So you're looking for something like this. Oh, that's something that we can take advantage of. Okay, so you got July 12, which is about, let's say, a week, 10 days from now, give or take. You sell the 147, you buy the 150, okay, and you collect an income of $62 minus what you're risking. You're risking like 240, give or take, to collect 60, compared to 55, which is what you should have done the past. The edge is not that big. This is not too much of a difference from this. Historical win rate 76%. I'm gonna check. This answer my criteria when I look for trade ideas, because we're already in the money. We're already below the max profit of 147, and we have like 10 days left. Okay, anything can happen. Not saying no. I want to see if there's other trades that have a little more, more cushion to go. But if not, I'll go back to this. So let's check Mark, for example, no trade. Abbott, okay, this is not a lot. I want to collect more than 11 cents. Lowe's and UPS, we got a put. I don't like to trade puts. I just want to do like the income stuff. UPS, no trades as of now. Nike, we got interesting stuff. 75. I mean, this could be something if you don't mind collecting. A lot of people don't mind collecting less, but they're risking more. So this, you sell the 81, you buy the 85, so that's $400 minus 15. That's like risking 385 to collect $15. So do 10 of those, $150 to collect 3,850. To each his own. Let's focus on Johnson & Johnson and show you the technical and why this is on the bearish opportunity side. But you can see they're all red. The SPY is up and all those stocks are red on technical analysis. Moderna, Lululemon, Yum Brand, and tons of others that I can see from here, Walgreens, etc., etc. So let's click here and see the detail of this trade of Johnson & Johnson. And basically it tells you that right now the price is 145.74. You sell the 147 call, you buy the 150, you collect $60, and you see here technical downtrend. This is why it is in the bearish opportunity. The stock price moving average are all crossing each other in a negative trend. That is what's happening right now with Johnson & Johnson. And it tells you Johnson & Johnson shares have increased while averaging a return between July 3rd. So the next 9 days, based on history, it doesn't really move. That's the end of the day. It tells you that it doesn't really move, and I want to see this, which means this is a trade that we are already in the money. You see, you're already in the money, and you have here the break even. At expiration is 147.62, which is 1.3% away from the spot price. So if Johnson & Johnson goes up another 1.3%, which of course is possible in the next 9 days or so, then you are just breaking even. Your max loss is over 150, which you will lose 240, and your max win is right here, $60 that you collect upfront, the maximum premium that you can collect. And it tells you all the details again right here. You collect 62 compared to 55. Not a big difference, but still it's better than 55. 76% win rate. Not a lot of edge. Takeaway for Johnson & Johnson. Historical, bearish technical. This is why we're doing this. Stock price and moving averages all crossing each other in a negative trend. Okay, so we got this, and click here on the trade card. So let's say this trade idea, it's for a week from now. There's 4th of July tomorrow, and then there's a weekend. I don't see a lot of movement. It's all in a bear market. Can it go up? Sure, something to consider. Hope this was valuable. If you have any questions about selling options for income, let me know in the comment below. Market Chameleon 7 days free trial also in the description. I'll see you guys next time.